Jai Srimannarayana. 18th sloka of 9th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Gatir Bharta Prabhu Sakshi Nivasaha Saranam Suhrutu Prabhavaha Pralayasthanam Nidhanam Bijam Avyayam. Om. Your goal is Sri Krishna Paramatma. Your supporter is Sri Krishna Paramatma. Your ruler is Sri Krishna Paramatma. Whatever is going on with you is seen by Sri Krishna Paramatma. Your refuge is Sri Krishna Paramatma. Your abode is Sri Krishna Paramatma. Your friend is Sri Krishna Paramatma. Everything is Sri Krishna Paramatma to you. Believe in it seriously. Start improving bond between you and Sri Krishna Paramatma day to day and enjoy your life. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha." Now you must respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. O Krishna, you are my goal. O Krishna, you are my supporter. O Krishna, you are my ruler. O Krishna, you are my abode. O Krishna, you are my friend. O Krishna, you are the one who is witnessing everything that is going on with me. O Krishna, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukadamrutadravasamyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupetamakrutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamo 10th Skandham 94th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Trunavarta lost his life, and along with Chinni Krishna he fell on the floor. All the Gopikas were crying after seeing that. While they were seeing Puram Yadha Rudrasharena Viddham, as and how Tripurasura was killed by Paramasiva's arrow. Just like that, Trunavarta fell on the floor, on the earth, on one stone, and then Visirna Sarva Avayavam Karalam. His body, all of his body parts became scattered here and there. His body totally broke into pieces and pieces. Then immediately Gopikas, they have taken Krishna and gave him to Yasoda Devi. They all felt happy because Krishna came out safely from such a huge danger. Sadhuhu samatvena bhayat vimuchyate. రక్షణములేక సాధుండు రక్షితుండగు సమత చేసిరాయుడులందున్ రక్షణములు వెయ్యి కలిగిన శిక్షితుడగు ఖలుడు పాప చిత్తుండగుటన్. ద పర్సన్ హూ హ్యాస్ గుడ్ థాట్స్ అండ్ గుడ్ పర్సన్, దో that person has no protection around him, but he will come out safe from even if there is huge danger. Whereas the person who has bad thoughts and bad person, though he has thousands of protections around him, when there is a danger, he would not come out of that danger safely. He would definitely be killed. Just like that, here Krishna is good person, he came out of the danger safely, whereas Trunavarta is bad, he got killed. Like that, Gopikas were thinking. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. ముకుందమాల. కృష్ణో రక్షతు నో జగత్రయ గురుః కృష్ణం నమస్యామ్యహం. కృష్ణే నామరశత్రవో వినిహతాః కృష్ణాయ తస్మై నమః. కృష్ణాదేవ సముత్థితం జగదిదం కృష్ణస్య దాసోऽస్మ్యహం. కృష్ణే తిష్టతి విశ్వమేతదఖిలం హే కృష్ణ సంరక్షమాం. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత 9th chapter 18th శ్లోక. గతిర్భర్తా ప్రభుసాక్షి నివాసః శరణం సుహృత్ ప్రభవః ప్రళయస్థానం నిధానం బీజమవ్యయం. గతిర్భర్తా ప్రభుసాక్షి నివాసః శరణం సుహృత్ ప్రభవః ప్రళయస్థానం నిధానం బీజమవ్యయం. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.